What if you could save $500 more every month without changing your income? Today I'm showing you exactly how. Stay until the end for a free resource. Everything I covered today is available as a free printable at https://funbiz.gumroad.com. Download your tracker. Start tomorrow. And watch your savings grow. Automation removes willpower from the equation. Set up an automatic transfer to savings the day you get paid. Before you spend anything. An emergency fund is not optional. It's the foundation of financial stability. Start with just $1,000. The 503020 rule is the simplest budgeting framework ever created. Half for needs, a third for wants, a fifth for savings. The average person wastes over $200 a month on subscriptions they forgot about. Audit yours today. The first step to saving money is knowing where it goes. Use a simple budget tracker every single day. If this helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for weekly tips. And grab your free budget tracker and planner at https://funbiz.gumroad.com. Completely free. Link is in the description.